What does the number 5 have to do with real estate? We all know what a roller coaster ride 2023 was in the housing market. With skyrocketing interest rates and low inventory, it seemed like the market just came to a screeching halt and left everyone scratching their heads. So, will this be the year of 5s? Hi, I'm Jenny with eXp Realty, and let's take a look at the forecast. Experts are predicting that mortgage rates will drop to the 5s by mid-year of 2024, bringing out buyers that have been waiting on the sideline for interest rates to drop. According to Steve Harney, the founder of Keeping Current Matters Real Estate, the drop in interest rates will increase buyer demand. He is predicting that we will see 5.5 million homes sold this year nationwide. Yay, that is great news! Additionally, housing prices should be increasing 5% from last year's values. We are going to see a lot of pent-up buyer and seller demand from 2023 spill into this year. This is going to cause the market to be more normal but competitive. So, buyers and sellers, get ready because the real estate market is heating up. It is best to align yourselves with a great agent. Most agents know what's happening, but a great agent can explain what's happening and create a strategic plan for you. Please reach out to me and my team so we can help strategize your next move. Again, I'm Jenny with eXp Realty.